Welcome to another core book video. We read core books again and again with children. This helps them be brilliant, confident storytellers, knowing the words, stories, characters and books really well, so they can be readers and storytellers themselves. Let's begin. Duck in the truck.
Instance.
This is the duck driving home in a truck. This is the track which is taking him back. This is the rock stuck by the truck. And this is the mud where the truck becomes stuck. These are the feet which jump down into the muck, and yucky and brown. This is the frog who spies from the bush and croaks, "I'll help you give in a push." This is the push of a frog and a duck, and this is the truck still stuck. This is the sheep driving home in a jeep. "Get out of the way," he yells with a beat. This is the quack of an angry duck. "My can't," he snaps, "my truck's is stuck." This is the quiet, and they think what to do. "Got it," croaks frog. "Sheep can help push too." This is the slurp and squelch and suck as the sheep steps slowly through the muck. This is the push of the sheep and a frog and a duck. And this is the truck still stuck. This is the happy, sleepy goat relaxing on his motorboat. This is the ear that hears the shoot. "My truck's stuck in the muck and it won't come out." This is the rope. And here's the goat's plan, to tie a knot as tight as they can. This is the push at the rear once again. This is the pull as the boat takes the strain. These are the wheels finally gripping. This is the knot suddenly slipping. Twang. This is the truck with the engine on fast. Back on the track, unstuck at last. This is the truck, this is the duck driving home in the truck, leaving the frog, the sheep and the goat stuck in the muck. Our core books are an essential part of how we help children read. Our core books have great pictures and words. We also support storytelling in lots of ways, like using props and objects.